because one make you promise one by our facilities in any one a better so. Oh, 14.60. It means that ukra 14 cedis 60 pesos ubenya $1. Now pounds was 18.12. It means that ukra 18 cedis 12 pesos ubenya £1. Ene ameno ekase exchange rate at that 15.20. 15.20. So it has increased from 14.60 to 15.20. Now, yeah, until we senior we should expect senior ebeko strono in the days ahead. Time NPP, IMF, and then other economic indicators in we know I can say 2025 ye Ghana economy no ebegina ne naso pa because now NPP are buying the nema atoto akwan mu. But the rate at which ebegina ne naso ne sisi ebesesa because NDC and Ababe take it over. It is a prediction na economist and one it may not come to pass. Even if it will, enye senior one ekano. We should say the next 4 years ahead of us. Senior 83 come senior ahochere ebaye no sana ebetwaso. Until after 2028, then NPP will then come back again. Now, many can the security situation at a war Ghana has seen. And then me damn many police phobia. Now you didn't come 1 year. Now, what means they are not happy with how NDC for no a year near my woman. And I'm going to say, look at what Nanado Ayema more security for, especially more police for. Sabit Afrache, and yet Nanado. Kamona more crampona, a dear friend of ultra modern facility. Nankamu bida. Though I say, and kind of OCC, OCB or Takrade, OCB Kumase. But here, one day, and Kaobeji transfer a conquer, and Kaobeko Akadebim. As we na most lie. Ekotwaba editia bayan all just because munya dokuni munya weni enti ene se NDC for brum won hyimu eniema adentina mu esese mu ma eham. Then you guys should well prepare. Now de ba kon meya ne se president of this nation eniema ekoso nyina no onka hwe onka hwe na se okoka sebi ubenya obi a na dwimu ndo beka kiro se time at 2020 yeto aba enipa wiye no eden na president Nanado okan okay wanka bibi eninte na yato aba etia no enti ade nti na we nso aba no nso onka bibi oboasi incidents esiye enipa ewu. The only thing the president has said, or can immediately after the killing, and he said, a year campaigning should spend on one prayer, and no one signs soon pace can only see on one higher than a woman. I say, we say, be so penny, yankan is how. Now, answer na yababe to abano. It's not the same NDC, a foreigner a year. Demonstration say we should end what is termed as galamsey. And you want after you talk about Nevia, and then one koyo galamsey site. And now come put the videos we come put me who here. You see one alleged person be our bodyguard to the president. amanfo wo videos a one president ne nam wabobo emabubi anu a won call I think western region ho baabi won kwa akopam won a ewo galamsey site ho eno so etuo esunya nipa miensa afamu ayeden ewu. This is what we are going to face in the next 4 years. And then when we come to the educational sector now, free SHSC, Mahama Ekan say, so over more than 2 billion are on free SHS. And this man will not do it. Oku Jeto Abraka should be someone that is anchored by this time, upper Ghana fortune. Because a more year campaign say Nanado air poison a school kola or the a more sebi expiring date I cannot demand the same rice in Amana Mudi if he didn't kola. And then
me could be me waha because free SHS Johnny my fried rice any jollof ni de papa. I will cast as a nyama na ya me free or munim no beka.
And then me call me former school, secondary school, baby, ana me chira me call me former secondary school, me chira na me na me ne head mistress. Utumi say enema aye basa. Sorry, me nya call Edison. Yeah, enema aye basa. And they are complaining bitterly. But ni nyina no me de so boy den ebo eye onwa me no edi nkomo. Say mo nyina mo koto aba. Mo say a extra classes na mo ye no emma bi. Enu nti no mo to aba ti aba. If some more school kwala there from an past 7 ekopim anwume 3 and kwala bra won be kwa akoye on personal studies no but mo be say mo
Teachers at times I will try they are not move kasatia government now or to
because one want make you promise one buy some facilities ni nyina no one ebete so oh call first year kwampo dia you will not pay anything afi ne yesi tua o si de untumi ntua obo guru jawo na won enkotua na 4 years ahead of us in there we are all going to suffer together me that's it. I mean I guru so unim guru ne obo onwum no yeah ono na odi anim a on the petition akose aban no enye biribi mfa homa na we de eku on the call eye enra yeah